We're out of the workshop again and we're on the southwest coast path in Devon, just west of what is affectionately known as the English Riviera. We've got out of the built up areas and it just looks like it's going to be a lovely, nice, gentle coastal walk round to the River Dart and Kingswear, I think is where we're heading.
When Lois says it's always going to be a nice gentle walk, I always get slightly apprehensive, but you saw it on film first, so if she's lying, we'll be able to actually prove that she's always lying when it comes to a trip out. But yeah, so far it's looking really nice, very different to other parts of the coast we've walked so far. But yeah, we'll see where it goes. So the National Trust, obviously well known for protecting ancient monuments and things like that.
That wasn't very nice.
But it's funny. So sometimes when you start on the southwest coast path, obviously if you're not walking all the way through, you often start at car parks that are near major towns just for accessibility and things like that. And quite often you get out the car and you walk into that first sort of half mile, because it's so close to civilization, there's a lot more litter, a lot more people walking dogs and things like that, and you think, oh, I don't know whether I really like this, too many people, you know, don't feel like you're in the wilds. Literally just carry on for maybe another half a mile, maybe sort of 25-30 minutes of walking, and then all of a sudden you're in this lovely sort of wild space again with hardly anybody about. So yeah, always push a little further, it's well worth it. So yet again you're joining us on another little trip out along the southwest coast path. Now obviously our channel up until now has mostly been sort of using tools, making tools, doing green woodwork and stuff like that. But we've started to film our little adventures, as small as they might be, purely as almost like a video diary for ourselves really. It's quite nice to look back and see where we've been. And I'm rubbish, my memory's gone now, I'm getting old, I can't remember all the nice places, so we can actually use our little videos as a little memory jog really. But the one thing that we've noticed is lots of people have commented, lots of people are emailing and saying that obviously due to lockdown and health issues and things like that, they might not have got out as much this year, and they've been enjoying our little trips. So we enjoy doing them, and it's lovely that you are enjoying our little adventures with us as well. So we'll keep doing them. I know they don't get as many hits or views or things like that as our other videos on the channel, but yeah, thanks for all the feedback, you know, and we'll keep doing them.
So we've come from here in the car park, we've gone along the South Down Cliff, I think we're just coming down to sea level here, and then back up the other side and onwards, and the plan is to go round to here and walk back some way cross country, but we're going to see how it goes. beautiful cove just down there. We've just come across some sorrel on the side of the path, and you can eat this. It's really refreshing, especially the young leaves here. But as this is so close to the footpath and there's a lot of dog walkers here, I think you'll know what might have happened to it, so we're not going to eat that one.
So we've pretty much come from right over there somewhere. Yeah, so it's been lots of up and downs. Pretty much every other sort of down has been a lovely bay. I mean, it's been absolutely beautiful. But so far this gentle walk has been a little bit not so gentle, should I say.
Well, what I actually meant was it's gentle as far as some parts of the southwest coast path are concerned. That's what I meant.
Oh, I see. Now you're letting me
Compared to the hardest bits, this is not as hard.
Okay, so this is a doddle in comparison to the hard bits.
Yeah.
Wow. A bit of a politician's answer at the beginning, wasn't it? It wasn't given all the facts. But yeah, it's been really nice. A little bit muddy. It's like red sandstone here, isn't it? So it's had a bit of rain. It reminds me of Herefordshire, because as soon as you get a bit of rain, it's been quite slippy, hasn't it? But you've had your sticks this time. I haven't had my sticks this time yet, but I've got a feeling my knees are going to want the help of the lecky poles in a bit.
It's the downhill. You need them for the downhill.
It's the downhills, yeah, the downhills have been pretty damn steep really, but yeah, exceptional weather, really clear water, so we're going to try and come back here at some stage with our wetsuits and go for a little dip, but not today.
It's always nice when you come to little tree bits along the way, a bit of shelter and the wind through the trees. It sounds really nice. When you're walking along the coast path and someone's coming along the other way, out of politeness you'll sort of jump aside and let them go by. Always jump to the inland side, because even though that might seem firm ground, that side, you just don't know, and have a look down there.
So we've just got to the top of the hill, found a nice little outlook with some rocks, so we're going to stop and have something to eat now. I think I've deserved it. Lois has pushed me pretty hard up that slope. So we just had our lunch. Good practice to always take your shoes and socks off when you stop, especially if it's not raining. Let your socks dry out a little bit. Make sure there's no little bubbles of sock build up to the sort of give you any blisters. Got a slight hot spot on the one foot, and as Lofty Wiseman told me once, he says you've got to self-medicate. So rather than it getting any worse, I stopped and just put one of those complete plasters on there just to prevent it getting any worse. The socks are pretty dry now, so I'm going to pop those back on. Got my boots on and we're ready for the next leg of the journey.
Hello.
if I can get this big one. Oh. So that's a bit of a find when you're on the trail. Instant refreshment. Not are they really nice looking apples, they taste great as well. Oh man, that's lovely. Perfect, like a little tuck shop.
Well, we've come around the coast and now we're at the entrance to the River Dart. We can see just behind us. It's a bit echoey because we're sitting in a little wartime pillbox, but it's got a great view. So we're going to carry on around the coast and we'll get to Kingswear.
Yeah, and hopefully then we'll be able to find a way back inland to get back to where we left the car. Because I don't think we're going to venture along the coast, because what is it now, about 5:30?
Yeah, well, it's nice to find a different way back.
Yeah. So we'll do a little circular walk, but inland. But yeah, as you can see, sunny. We've had a few showers, but yeah, it's amazing. So on to, where was it? Kingswear. So we're just walking along this section of the path through this amazing patch of woodland with these massive pine trees. It's like you're walking in California. It's crazy. The only thing I can't work out is there's all these trees that have been burnt. First I thought, oh, it's been like lightning strike or something, but actually looks like somebody's actually set fire to them. Can't work out whether that's some kind of management program or whether it's just loads of kids coming into the woods setting fire to them. But apart from the burnt trees, it's really quite magical in here, and just the glimpse of the estuary down below, really. Yeah, it's lovely.
Well, we're in Kingswear. We did stop at a little pub when we got back to civilization and had a little pint, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Bag of crisps, which always helps. Yeah, our legs are rejuvenated and we're now going to walk back to the van. But it is getting dark, so we've got the torches and we'll go cross country, but it won't be very good filming, so we're going to sign off now and say thanks for watching.
It's 20 to 7. It was not an easy walk. I was told it was yet another easy walk.
It was fun though.
It was very good. Yeah, fantastic weather. Yeah, perfect really for an October time. So yeah, you can never not go out just because it's late in the year. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little trip, and we'll see you next time. So as you can see, we're in night vision mode. So it's been another one of those crazy days, but you know, it's fun. We had our torches. I'll turn mine on now, look. So I did have my torch. And there is a van somewhere. Let's see if we can find the van in the car park. So there it is. So we made it back to the van. Thank you, Lois, for yet another amazing adventure. Yay!
Yeah, made it.
Oh yes, we made it. Thanks again for watching. And remember, if you want to see some crazy people walking in all hours of night and day, then tune into the channel. And we'll see you next time.